Hello, so for today I will be adding an irrigation system inside my greenhouse so that it's easy for my plants to get water. And if I'm out of town, I will just turn on the timer for it to get properly watered and get a proper irrigation. So I got this one in Amazon. I already installed the first one and it's working really great. So now I'll continue adding irrigation from my plant box inside the greenhouse and outside the greenhouse. Stay tuned. All right. So my water irrigation is finally done. It's not perfect, but I'm glad it's working. There you go. As you all can see. There. It's right there. With my blueberries. And then right here. These are my peppers. Peppers. Sweet and spicy. Tomatoes, sweet. And then my hot pepper. And also I have my napa cabbage in there. And then I have my rosemary and something. I forgot what I planted there besides rosemary. And right here, my irrigation is also working, as you all can see. Yeah. And right here too. So that's my sweet potato, and then my lemongrass. Then I have my yard-long beans in here. And then on this side, these are my irrigation on this side as well. Got my eggplants. And then I got my beans right here. It started to climb now. There. And then I got my onions in here. Another irrigation in the side, as you all can see. There. And then I still need to add more irrigation on this side, but I will just let the sweet potatoes grow on its own this side, like it's everywhere. This is the leftover from last year, and it's in that box as well, right there. And I pointed one of the irrigation, that one in this side here, for my okras. So that's where I just planted the okras in there because I don't want to create another plant box, so I just planted them on ground, and they starts growing. That one right there is right there, it's right there, my seedlings, and right there. Perfect. It's not that cute, but it's right here. So these are my water irrigation. It's not perfect, but it's working.